My name's Aly Murray. I'm the founder and executive director of UPchieve, an edtech nonprofit that provides free 24/7 online tutoring to low-income high school students across the country. I started UPchieve to solve a problem that I had experienced firsthand as a low-income student in the United States. I was raised by a single mom who immigrated to the United States from Cuba and often couldn't help me with my schoolwork or with applying to college. My own challenges accessing academic support when I needed it had a really big impact on my life. But the problem is that students of the current generation, their challenges in accessing support are even greater due to the pandemic. Research has shown that since the beginning of the pandemic, low-income students have fallen even farther behind their higher-income peers, with consequences that could linger for years. New York City needs to do everything it can to prevent that from happening. Fortunately, there is a very simple solution that is already proven to work if we can get it in the hands of more students. Numerous research studies have shown that tutoring, especially small group and one-on-one tutoring, can have a huge impact on students' academic outcomes. UPchieve's recent research study showed that even small amounts of online tutoring can have a huge effect. Students that participated in our RCT were able to improve their percentile rank on a national math assessment by 9 points after just 9 tutoring sessions on the platform. Unfortunately, most low-income students in the United States today still do not have access to tutoring. At an average cost of over $35 an hour, a private tutor remains essentially too expensive for most low-income families to access. Even when schools provide after-school tutoring programs, these programs can be difficult for students to access due to their fixed times and locations. New York City can fix this by ensuring that all of its students have access to free online tutoring. By partnering with the many existing online tutoring nonprofits, the city could easily ensure 24/7 access to academic support for students whenever they need it. We could cover all grade levels in all subjects. The city could publicize their free tutoring program through a marketing campaign, much like the current pre-K program is publicized today, with ads in subways, schools, community centers, and libraries to ensure that every single student in the city and their caregivers know that academic support is available when they need it. Our schools in New York City are already bursting with talent and passion. It's up to us to ensure that every single one of those students has access to the support they need to achieve their full potential. Let's do it by making sure every student has access to free tutoring. Thank you.